The Starry Night, Vincent van Gogh. What secrets lie within the swirling skies of the Starry Night? Is it a reflection of chaos or a beacon of hope? Let's uncover the story behind one of the most famous paintings in the world. The Starry Night, painted in 1889, is Vincent van Gogh's masterpiece. Created during his stay at the asylum of Saint-Rémy-de-Provence, it captures the view from his room, transformed through his vivid imagination. The work is not merely a landscape, it's a window into Van Gogh's emotional and spiritual world. The painting bursts with energy and movement. The swirling patterns in the sky, the bold crescent moon, and the glowing stars create a dynamic, almost hypnotic rhythm. These celestial elements are balanced by the quiet village below, with its softly glowing windows and the comforting silhouette of a church steeple. Together, they form a visual tension between chaos and serenity. But the Starry Night isn't just a beautiful picture. It reflects Van Gogh's inner struggles. At the time, he was battling severe mental health challenges. This painting, with its vibrant colours and expressive brushstrokes, became an outlet for his emotions, a way to find peace amidst his turmoil. The towering cypress tree in the foreground, often associated with death and eternity, seems to connect the heavens and the earth, hinting at Van Gogh's deep spiritual questions. The stars, however, offer hope. Van Gogh once wrote to his brother Theo, "I always think the night is more alive and more richly coloured than the day." For him, the stars represented infinite possibilities, a sense of freedom, and a world beyond his suffering. Today, the Starry Night is not just a masterpiece of post-impressionism, it is a universal symbol of resilience. It shows us that even in our darkest hours, beauty and light can still emerge. So, what does the Starry Night mean to you? A vision of turmoil or a dream of hope? One thing is certain, this painting speaks to the soul, reminding us of the profound connection between art, emotion, and the human spirit. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Starry Night. For more captivating art stories, like and subscribe to Art Lectures. Together, let's explore the world's greatest masterpieces.